In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide calendar names in Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're just looking for more privacy or you want to streamline the booking experience for your clients, this feature can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process together and make sure your scheduling page looks exactly the way you want it to. First, you'll need to log into your Acuity Scheduling account. This is your starting point, where we'll make all the necessary adjustments. Once you're logged in, find your way to the scheduling page. This is typically your hub for managing all things related to bookings and appointments. Next, you'll want to head over to the settings area. This is where all your customization options live, allowing you to tailor your scheduling page to suit your needs and the preferences of your clients. Keep an eye out for an option related to hiding calendar names. This might be nestled under sections like Customize Appearance or Client Scheduling Page Options. These sections contain a myriad of customization tools, so it might take a moment to locate the specific feature you're looking for. Once you've found the option to hide calendar names, go ahead and toggle that setting. Make sure you save your changes before moving on. Saving ensures that all your preferences are locked in and that the changes reflect on your scheduling page. Now, it's crucial to remember that the ability to hide calendar names could depend on your specific Acuity plan. Some features might only be available on certain plan tiers, so if you're not seeing the option, consider checking what your current plan includes. And if the exact setting isn't readily visible, explore related settings such as options to hide calendar names from the public scheduling page or hide any available options from the calendar list. These might offer similar benefits and achieve the same desired effect. As a parting tip, think about using appointment types as a strategic way to stay organized. Rather than relying on calendar names to categorize different services or time slots, appointment types can help maintain order behind the scenes while offering a clean, clutter-free experience for your clients. This can also enhance the overall user experience, making it easier for clients to find and book the services they need without any confusion. By following these steps, you can effectively control the visibility of your calendar names and customize your Acuity scheduling page to better fit both your operational needs and client preferences. Thanks for joining me today, and happy scheduling!